Cleaning instructions. After finishing the work, switch to the rinse mode. Discharge the residual drinks. Pour water to the max mark. When the mixer is rotating, keep the drinking outlet open to drain the water. During cleaning, the mixer will rotate for about 20 minutes before returning to the standby mode. You can repeat the above steps until the residual solution and odor are removed. Detach the parts in sequence to clean thoroughly. Install back the parts as shown.